in meeting because I'm covering the topic like how it's going AME section, right? It's AME sections could be called, right?
Yeah.
Victim. So yeah, because Ilyas may give some suggestion or correct me if I'm wrong anywhere, right?
Okay, let me check with him.
Because this session has should be called by Ilyas, but he said that yeah, if if I think I don't know anything, then he can cover that, right?
Okay. I have asked Elias to join.
Okay.
Hi, Elias.
Hi, Ilyas.
Hello,
Hi,
Yeah,
hello.
Elias.
hi.
Yes, Elias.
He might not getting our
He's
voice.
not hearing us, I think. He'll join back.
Okay.
Test. Hello.
Hello,
Yeah,
Elias.
yes.
Yes,
Hey,
we're able to hear you.
Mahesh. Hi, Kishore.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. So I will
Yeah,
share my
Kishore,
screen.
I get the information that you would like me to join, right?
Yeah, actually, the topic which I'm
Can
covering
you speak
is
louder, Kishore?
okay. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Is it
Um,
okay now?
um, Still not that clear.
Okay, because I have increased my
Ah,
volume
okay, this one is better.
to higher.
Now is better.
Okay,
Okay, okay.
okay. So yes, Ilyas. Yeah, the topic which I'm covering is like how MA sections getting called from ASMView, right? So yeah, this topic I covered previously, but still Mahesh is not clear. So I ask him to get presence of you so that if I'm wrong anywhere, so you can clear.
Yep, sure. Please carry on because I need to do something on that in between. You can just carry on.
Okay.
Don't waste the time.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Yes, Mahesh. I will cover the one of B2B operation. Let's say, for example, hold operation, right? So you know that I have covered this SM turnkey WS B2B, right? This B2B and this WS thing, right? Common EXT, STB, right? Uh, you know this already, right? Or you
Yes,
have
yes.
any doubt on this?
No.
Okay. So yeah. uh, as per my previous expression, okay, let me okay. So first whole request would come here and from B2B. Okay, so request once is here, then this operation would process the whole operation, and this hold at fab, it will process at fab side, right? So at this stage you don't know the which fab and which MA sections is going to call, right? So in request we receive let's say hold. Okay. We receive this hold request, right? Here you will find this fab code, right? So from this fab code, we understand that we have to hold this at fab 9 side or fab 1 side, right?
Yes.
Also, as well as asymptote key. So here, for all the fabs, it will call this same function, right? The same
Yes.
hold operation. So for this operation, we are passing this fab code. So let's go into this method. If you if you're inside this method, then you will find that it's creating the stub of this hold to operation, right? It's a web service. It's putting this message in a queue. Okay. So that respective fab, that is in our case, let's take fab 7. Okay. So if you then it's if you okay go into this method, you will see that it's calling this web service, that is Fab10 key IDF B2B service client. Okay, so this hold to operation and this interface has been implemented in Fab7 Turkey, right? Uh,
It is
uh,
implemented in all fabs, right? Fab 9, Fab 7. I'm trying to see where we
yes,
are
yes.
differentiating between the fabs. That's where
Okay.
I'm confused.
Actually, yeah, this stub would be generated from here, right? B2B, and for this stub, you are passing the fab code, right? So this stub will generate stub accordingly, so that it will call the or fab 7 turn key or fab 1 turn key or fab 9 turn key, right? So
Can
let's
you show
see.
that get fab
Yeah,
B2B
this
stub?
okay. Yeah, this
Kishore,
method. Yeah, yes, Ilyas.
Kishore, please don't confuse Mehes. Fab9 is not using any specific turnkey right now. Okay, only Fab1, Fab7, and Fab8.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, actually,
Mahesh, so please don't be confused because I already explained this before.
Yes.
GigaFab is using Fab2, Fab3, Fab5, and Fab6.
Okay.
So it is not using any turnkey. I have already explained to you in the beginning that we have two type of turnkey job. One is synchronization and the other one is unsynchronization. So if you are talking about the fab related turnkey, right? Fab related component, that is a synchronization. So don't mix it up together.
Yeah.
Fab 2, Fab 3, and Fab 6 is Fab 9 is a future in the future will be unsynchronized also.
Okay.
At
so
least right
only
now it should be this way, but we do not know yet in the next future. Okay,
Okay.
because Fab 9 is not yet implemented right now.
Okay.
so only
Okay.
178, right? Fab.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, this get B2B stub method. In this, it will execute this code and it will return the stub. Okay. So for more information, Elias, could you okay, get fab B2B stub pool, right? It will call this method
You
in the
are
object
you are
pool.
asking me, Kishore?
Yeah, actually, Mahesh is trying to understand what this get fab B2B stub
Okay,
does.
actually this one is very technical. Okay, and it's already predefined component. Me myself did not find time to go very deep inside. Okay, but if you go in this dot get fab B2B stub pool, right? When you are passing the stub, can you go back to the screen, Mahesh? Sorry.
Which one?
So when you go to this get fab B2B stub pool, right? Inside there and you have a parameter that passing in fab, right? So inside there it will define where the stub will going to. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Kishore, can you explore more on this by go deep into this function to let Mahesh see what is it inside?
It's not showing where it is implementation. Okay. Actually, this is an interface method. Uh, I cannot see the implementation class. This might be in some. Okay. Key object pool. I think as per my understanding, Ilyas, it will give the queue details, right? For Fab 7 turnkey, there is a different queue. For Fab 1 turnkey,
Yes,
there is
yeah,
different queue,
yes,
right?
yes.
So it will
That is the
put that
one. But
message
I
in.
would like you to. Yes, it is correct. That is the one. But so if it depends how you explain this one, okay, Kishore. So I would like you to explain further on this. By in case Mahesh did not understand, then we have already show him that this is how the way it being handled, right? So you are not able to go in this get fab to B2B stub pool.
Yeah, actually, I'm trying to open this implementation class, but it's not going there
Yeah, I
because
think you need to import the get service context component. Mahesh, unfortunately, this we have plenty of components. Some component is already predefined by
Okay.
Dresden team. Okay, so if you would like to go very details on one item, then we will take a lot of times to do that. I will suggest that once you get the source code right, you can help yourself explore more. But what Kishore mentioned here is absolutely right. That this fab B2B stub pool is where we actually define and we identify where on which fab that this queue is going to pointing to. So if you understand that we are communicating between fab is using MQ, okay. So JMS MQ. So we have a MQ definition of the FQ definition on the property setting.
Hmm.
So that is when we define okay on fab one we are going to pointing to this fab, this queue. Fab two, sorry, fab eight is this fab, this queue. Fab seven is this queue. So we have that configuration. It is defined further
Can
in
we
this.
see that property file, Elias? Can we see that property file? That must be different from
okay.
each instance, right?
Yep. So,
Okay.
Kishore, can you show him the properties in MQ on the maybe in the
SM,
development server or somewhere place?
SM get properties or some different properties. Okay.
No, is the other
Give me a
property
moment.
that's storing all the queue information.
Yes, yes.
Mm-mm.
In JBoss server, I would able to see the main queue where we are calling this MQ, where we are initiating this, right? The STB, move and all. That queue information I would able to see, but not these fab queues. Yeah, MES queues.
Okay. Here, yes, Mesh. Under this properties folder, you will find the properties file for every fab right here for fab 7 and key, right? So we have also file. So for fab 7, here you can find that this queue, right? Fab 7.jcap turnkey request 001. Is it right? Correct, Elias?
Yep, that is the one. Yeah, you are right. So, Mahesh, I think inside there, in the component, it will define something that pointing to this turnkey B2B service. That's why we calling the service context function. The service context function will pointing to this one basically.
Okay.
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 So yeah. So so when we are talking about the service context, right, it will load all everything on this, and further on when we pass in the fab, then we will define this one. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So I think that you have a chance to actually define further. Sorry, Mahesh and Kishore, I need to excuse for like 10 minutes. You can carry on first.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah, Mahesh, it's now clear that at this stage, it will decide to which MS to go right
Yes.
at this stage,
Okay.
and from the rest of then it will go to the respective turnkey. Then for this Fab7 turnkey uh, here,
Hmm.
then this
Y-
hold to operation would be is implemented here. I will show you that hold to operation. Okay. So this class has extended this class, right? Abstract and key B2B service IMPL. So in this class, hold to, right, for Fab7. So once the message the at this stage it will put the SM key will put the message in the queue, right? Put the
yes.
message in the queue. So after
Yes.
this queue, then queue it will pick up this operation will pick up the message, right? Then hold to would get call, right? So and it will execute hold operation at Fab7 side. So from this Fab7 turnkey, it will go afterwards, right?
Okay.
So this is very important here. Get B2B, get Fab B2B stub. So it is the key point where it will decide in which queue, according to the fab, to put the message. And then once the message in that queue, then that respective fab would use that respective fab to pick up that message and process that message.
Okay. Fine. I got an idea how it is getting diverted to different MES systems. Okay.
So, uh, do you have anything related to? You want to know more on this ME section, or is it clear?
Now give me
The
that path where you have shown me the properties in the server.
Yeah,
Sure. Give me that path.
actually, its path is like properties
Can you just
here
okay?
on the JCap. On the JCap, you will find deploy properties, library folder deploy, right? On the
Where
box
do
log.
we have a var file, right? Where do we deploy it? Is it in deploy? JCap deploy.
Yes.
We want that path
Not
also.
war file, ER file.
Yeah, file.
Uh,
Yes.
yeah, in this under this applications, deploy applications, you will find that we have smturnkey.er and other ER files.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have this path? Shall I ping you?
Yeah, yeah. Give me this path and that properties path.
Okay.
We just have to copy that ER file there and we have to restart this server, Java server, right?
Yes. Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is there any restrictions? What change we should do in development or any changes we can do?
Uh, Restrictions for deployment, right? Or any.
So is it okay if I do some changes and test my things, or I have to ask Elias or you before doing anything?
I think on dev environment, this huge environment, you can do by changing, yeah, any any code or trying to test, I think you can do that. I don't see any problem. But before this, I will suggest just confirm with Ilyas.
Okay, how do I revert it? Suppose I did some changes and deployed and tested it. I want to revert back to old thing. If I just see if I take the backup of the current ER file and put my changes and
Yeah,
restart the server, I
you can,
test it. After that, I can
yes, yes.
delete my ER file and rename the old ER file back. And if I restart the JBoss server,
Okay,
all the
let's
old
say
things will come back.
no, no, no. Actually, let's say you have changed ASM key, right? Not ASM key, right? And
Yes,
you want to deploy the this ASM.key.er file. So
yes,
this is the current ER file, right? So
yes,
for this, we rename it, and it's
yes,
like today we have 19 September, right? 19 September
yes,
16,
yes, yes.
and just mark it as a old.
Okay,
So this is your backup file.
yes.
So you can delete your current file and just edit this as a edit as a .er file and restart the server. Then
Yeah.
it will be as your
Current
previous
version.
one,
Okay.
current
If I
version.
want to, if I want to revert back, then I can rename this to .ear and restart the server, right?
Yes, yes, that's fine.
Okay.
So yeah, Elias, are you there?
I think he's working on a different thing.
Okay, yeah,
It's fine. I think. Thanks, Kishore. I think I have clarity now how it is getting connected to different MES systems and in different instances also.
okay.
Maybe if I know how that stuff works, then I'll have more idea on that.
Yeah, actually, I had not explained this B2B stuff, how it get right. So that's where you got confused,
Yeah,
right?
that is the two
You just
questions I have. How it is differentiating between different fabs, and how it is
yeah,
differentiating between instances. It's supposed to connect from
yeah,
dev to dev, right? How it
yes,
is, how we are configuring that. That's two questions. I think that two questions I got the answers. Okay.
okay,
Fine. Even
yeah,
I'm able to see that our MQ configuration in JBoss server, where we are saying ERP dev and the QRAM and all right. That I figured out how it is pointing.
okay, okay,
That is fine for me. Okay. Okay. Thanks,
okay.
Kishore.
And and your merge and split, you said
Yeah,
something.
yeah. It's
Yeah.
giving some error. Can you do it for that lot? I'll give you the lot number.
I think you can just share your screen. I'll just give you the suggestions. What's actually
Yeah,
yeah. I can yeah.
yeah. Let me share my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes. How would I unshare my screen? Mm,
It's fine. Let it be. You can just see my screen. No need to stop my.
okay. Yes, I can.
It is the new lot which I'm testing. There is one more. This one I have two lots. This is child
Okay.
lot and both are in same stage and the same operation. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to merge it. Okay.
Actually, yeah. Can you please split it once again? This lot, parent lot, to some other child. Yeah. Can you please
Yeah.
show me the split and
Okay. Split right.
actually, the lot name, yeah, please don't give that lot name, child lot ID,
Yeah.
because it's optional, right?
Yes. Yes. I'm not getting anything.
I think previously you have given lot ID name, right?
Nothing.
That is dot zero zero one. So I think, yeah, you can see the child lot ID newly created.
It's a 01 now. It is created 02. You want me
What do
to
you want?
do the merge right now? Um,
Okay.
this is the parent lot merge. I'm selecting the new lot. Okay,
Okay.
merge. Okay, all the childs it's showing, parents it's showing. Okay, uh, this one merged.
Normal, right?
Now I normally now
It's work, right?
no that is for the
For this one, it's
new
giving
one.
error, right?
Yeah, for the old one it's giving error. How do I say if there is some error? Is there any help or document to see what is that error? See if I say merge not
You
held.
mean
What does it mean not held? It's saying
not held?
child lot is not held. This one.
Child lot is not held. Hold, I can understand, but what is this held?
Hold, there is no hold, so I can see that. Progress claim
No, no.
not hold.
The hold we know right already, but
Yeah, we know there
held
is no hold.
it's saying held, right? Held.
Yeah, it's saying held. Carrier also no. It's the same thing, right? Rotate operation name, operation ID,
Renaming dot one dot zero one. Okay.
plot inventory state
Can you go in product tab? Okay. There are five. With this error, I think we'll check with Elias. I'm not also sure about this error. And there is
Hello. Yes.
there is one more.
Elias, I'm trying to
Yep.
merge one parent lot with the child lot. It's saying child lot is not held. What does it mean?
Can you show me the screen?
Yeah.
Yes,
What
Mahesh is
what you
sharing screen.
okay, hold on. What you are going to do?
I'm merging parent lot and child lot.
You are merging parent lot and child lot. Then
Yes. Just merging is not working. That's what. This is the parent lot.
yeah, what is the error message?
It's saying child lot is not held. This is the child lot. I'm saying merge.
Can you this is parent lot or this is child lot?
Sorry. This is the parent lot and this is the child lot. This is the target lot ID is the parent and this is the child.
Can I see? Can I see the child lot?
Yeah. I did for one it worked, but not for this one. And
Yeah, can I see the child lot? Can you go to this operation? Can I see the parent lot again?
yeah,
Okay. Operation history.
action history.
Lot start.
Sorry.
Lot start select after.
Split plot hold dot release. Is
Okay. Lot hall. So you're putting the lot on hold. Then after that you release the lot, right?
yes,
Then you split again.
yes. I split
And
and
you merge it, right?
yeah, this merge worked fine.
Um, where the other one quantity? Can you close the UI and let me see? Family lot list. It's 20 and 5, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Can I see the Charlotte? Okay, hold on. Best information first. Close, close, close. Best information is in TKYPI, right? Okay. Can I see the Charlotte inform TKYPI? Can I see the operation history of Charlotte? Okay. Can you close it up and go to progress claim lot info?
Info is it?
Sorry, lot hot list, lot hot list. Okay, go to future hall.
Feature hole. Let us see have
Future hall. Future hall registration list. Okay, you are doing something on this, is it? Are you doing something on this slot?
oh nothing. I
Uh,
didn't do.
can you close it first? Can I see the parent lot? Can I go to progress claim lot hall future hall registration list? Are you previously doing this? You register the future hall.
No, I just did the hold only. Hold and hold release.
So who register a future hall? Can you close? And I want to see the one. Uh, progress claim operation history.
Operation history. Operation history is it? Okay. I just did lot hold and lot hold release. I didn't do any feature hold lot hold.
Yeah, yes. Someone is have been registered the future hall there. That's what. Um,
But that is also showing my name as user.
can I see the
Because
future hall registration again?
this
Can you click
show.
on it? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure you never register any future hall because it's showing your name that
Yes, I'm sure.
you never register,
No.
or any chance when you doing the merging you are registering?
I try to merge it, but it's giving me that error
Because
algo.
I lost the one, but on 15th of September 12:56. Can I see the operation history again?
Okay.
Because it's mentioning that you are doing the future hall registration. Can I see the operation history? 15 of the one before you do split, right? Can you go see the report timestamp?
This one, how can I
The
see?
report timestamp. Can you expand it? Yeah.
First time. First time.
What time is that? 12:56. 12:56. It means that before you perform split, right? There is a future hall registration. Then after that you split. So it inherit the child inherited the future hall. Okay? And the parent lot still have future hall. But this, because you perform the future hall, this lot need to be on hold first, then need to be released, then you can merge the lot.
Okay. Okay. I should put the same hold now and release.
You just no, just from the parent lot and the child lot, both of that you just registration cancel it. So I'm not sure why it is being there and is listed as your name that you register the future hall, but you did mention that you did not perform any registration, right?
Yes. Maybe I'll try to replicate
I'm
it.
confused actually.
Yeah.
But anyway, try to clear it and see whether we can scrap. This is existing lot, right? It's not the brand new lot, right? You just took any lot.
No, no, brand new lot I created from MQ tool.
Oh, okay. Can go to the lot info and do the pro. Yeah, re- registration cancel. Okay.
Yeah, now it is merged. Okay, we should check for lot holds and future lot holds both. Okay, thanks, Elias.
Hmm.
Thanks, Kishore. Thanks, Elias. If
Hmm.
I started testing, doing the whatever you have explained, if I have any questions, then I'll reach out one of you. Still, I didn't get any reply from Andes for database access. Once I get approval, then I'll reach one
We
of you.
yeah, we need approval for that one.
Yeah, I dropped an email to Andes. I'll ping him today once again.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Mike.
Bye. Bye.